For $179, 149 pounds, 179 Australian dollars, the Bose SoundTrue over-ear headphones hit nearly all the marks of what makes a set of headphones good. It's even got some extra goodies included that I'm smitten to see in a set of wired headphones. Even so, the sound quality just isn't quite up to par compared to what other headphones in its price range can handle. But boy, are these stylish. The design of the SoundTrue helps to round out the Bose headphone offering as a sleek, sporty look for on-the-go listeners. These over-ear can't borrow much in the way of looks from their bigger, more expensive sibling, the Bose Quiet Comfort 25. But the SoundTrue knows when to split off to forge its own path, rocking some moves of its own that I prefer to its noise-canceling kin. The thin, light-weight metal frame of the headband is padded to make the SoundTrue comfortable. On its top, a leatherette material makes for a stunning first impression and is smooth to the touch. A softer felt material coats its underside to make for a soft pillow against your head. Moving down toward the sidearms, the plushy touches make way for plastic, making it easier to grip, in case you want to increase or decrease the size adjusting mechanism. There are several notches built into the SoundTrue, so even those with heads on the larger side, much like myself, will still be comfy. Arriving at the sidearms, both stamps are an L facing outward, which makes putting them on your head the right way easy, much easier to see here than on the QC25 headphones. The sidearms are comprised of a few pieces of matte textured, curved plastic that stretch down to the ear cup hinge. Speaking of the hinge, mobility of the ear cups is one key area where design influence from the Bose QC25 was lost in translation. The cups on the SoundTrue can only twist 90 degrees, which unfortunately nixes laying them flat out on your chest. It's a minor gripe, but their stiffness made me opt to take them off completely when not in use instead of looping them around my neck. That said, the cups have enough flexibility to wiggle around, helping most to find the right fit. The ear cups rock a look that is both flashy and minimalistic, with more of Bose's favorite material for the SoundTrue, matte textured plastic. On the outermost section of each cup, Bose planted its logo front and center. And on their insides, the cups boast a hearty helping of leatherette-coated padding that yields that same comfort benefits of the headband. The cushions against your head also provide isolation, keeping your music in and sound out. If you take a look inside the cup, each color variation of the SoundTrue offered by Bose has a different design. Lastly, stretching down from the left ear cup is the 5.5-foot 3.5mm cable. Most of the time, the more cable, the better. But I found myself routinely holding this one up while I walked upstairs so that it wouldn't catch on my knee. It's too long. It's difficult not to mention the SoundTrue and Bose's Quiet Comfort 25 noise-canceling headphones in the same sentence. They look very similar, but it goes deeper than that. The two sets of headphones sound just about the same, and that's both a good and a bad thing for listeners. Regarding comfort, the SoundTrue takes the cake as probably the lightest over-ear headphones that I've ever worn. This makes wearing them for extended periods of time all too easy. And despite being closed-back cups, my ears weren't suffocated in heat. The sound performance though, where it counts the most for some, is hit or miss. It feels strange typing those words regarding a Bose product, which I've had mostly positive experiences with.